Okay, now I am going to change this link from the row ID to I don't want to use the row ID here. I just use this ID as a link to pass the value from this 22 page to 16 page. Okay, so now I'm click these things and make it as a link and heading as an BSP, and I'm going to make the link here. Okay, then I have to redirect to page in this application, and the page number will be page 16, and I have to pass the value p16 id through this id. Okay, and I have to clear the 16 page cache. Okay, saved. Now I'm going to save the things and run the things. Okay, now when I click on here, it will be redirect with the data. Though there is no data, then this error is present here. Okay, then I have to click on this again, and I have to make a link attribute that will be graphical presentation, that this code that is the pencil icon will place as a link. Okay, and you can see there is no pencil. Why? Okay, when I click on here, image source, maybe this image source is not available. Okay, I will fix this later, no problem, but our linking is working. Okay, so now I am going to that page. When I click on add new employee, this will come without data or without value, because of I have to enter new data. And when I click through this update mode, then this will appear here with the data. Okay, now I am going to edit this page number 16 to add the rest of the item. Okay, and the item will be p16 id already added, p16 first name. Now I am going to add some item here, create page item. Then I can duplicate it, duplicate, okay, now I have to duplicate it again for the extension. I have to duplicate it again for the more extension. I don't know what number of the item, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21. That means 21 items required. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 15. That means more 6 required. Okay, I'll duplicate the things again. Okay, so now I have to change this item as p16 first name. So this is first name, and I have to go to the source section and database column, and this is the column name. Okay, this is the column name. Then hopefully no error will present here. Save the all errors. Why is the error? Okay, p16 first name. Okay, I have to check the first name value, column value is exist or not. I have to go to the tables and first name. Okay, this is the forget to 30 bytes. Okay, p16 first name, invalid characters. Okay, that means here is the some space, that's why this error occurred. Okay, no problem, everything okay. And now I have to select these things and put it here. As same way I have to put the rest of the item. For the video length reduce, I have to pause the video right now, and after the adding finish, then I will come back again to show you the rest of the things. Okay, just stay tuned.